What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Buick Encore flip key remote fob. This Buick Encore key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. So the first thing I'm going to do is grab the key fob and flip the key blade out. Then I'm going to hold the key fob with the buttons facing down, and we're going to remove this cover right here. How I'm going to do that is I'm going to come over here to the part where the key blade folds in and get a couple fingers on this back piece like that. Then I'll put my thumb down here and then just kind of peel back on this like that. Once we get that cover off, we see our battery right here. And if we're holding the key fob this way with the blade pointing down, I'm going to come up to the top part of the battery, the part by the key ring, and just get a fingernail on there and get it out of that holder. If you're unable to do that, you can use a flathead screwdriver, but it really doesn't take much. Either way, once we get our old battery out, we can put our new battery in, and you want to make sure that you're installing your new battery with the plus side up, positive side up. And I'm going to kind of tuck this part in first down here. You can see there's this little bit of a plastic piece right here. Tuck that edge in first like that, and then snap the battery into place. Then we can put our back cover on. And that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.